That is very true. What do you do for fun? I like reading and playing video games.
I think that reading may just be the best way to spend time. I wish I had more time to spend that way.
I agree. I love to read as well. What is your favorite genre of books to read?
It's a shame no one reads actual hardback or paperback books anymore. It's all ebooks and downloads. Good for the environment, I guess, but people forget how useful books can be. Wanna know why?
I know what you mean. I used to read a lot when I was younger. Now I mostly read online.
Here's why. First of all, in the case of global toilet paper shortage, having books on hand could save your ass. Literally. Not ideal, but it will get the job done, right?
That is a very good point. I will definitely keep that in mind. Thanks for the advice.
I like the way you think. If the electric grid goes down, leaving you without electricity, books suddenly seem important. And you can use them to stoke a fire if shit really hits the fan, right?
I think you're right. That would be a great way to use them. Thank you.
Hopefully we won't get to that. Finally, even if the world doesn't end, I've found that books can be useful in swatting all sorts of insects, especially mosquitoes. You ever use a book as a weapon?
Yes, I have used books as weapons in the past. It was a very useful weapon.